Imagine having industrial-grade quality right in your workspace. Meet the new HP Multi-Jet Fusion 1200 3D printer solution, backed by a decade of HP additive innovation, now in a smaller, more accessible system built for you, your space, your budget, and your needs. Create strong, accurate parts that you can rely on. Stay focused on creating, not managing complexity. A guided, automated workflow saves you time and keeps your workspace clean. When ideas move fast, your production should too. Print, test, and iterate in hours, not days. From quick, easy iterations in your studio to scaling up with the same HP Multi-Jet Fusion quality for high-volume production without limits. The new HP Multi-Jet Fusion 1200 3D printer solution. Industrial quality now within reach. Start fast, dream big.